Hello friends, this is Anita and welcome back to my channel Business Commando. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to discuss with you how to grow your recruitment business, in which I'm going to discuss 5 important strategies to grow your recruitment business. So let's start with the video. As you all know, recruitment is a hyper competitive industry and with a record number of businesses actively entering the market each year, all the business owners have to continually evolve their growth strategies. So, today we are going to discuss 5 important strategies for growth of your business. I have mentioned all these strategies one by one. So, the first strategy which we are going to discuss is focus on your client. The second one is first impression counts. Third is building long-term relationships. And fourth one is develop your brand presence to enhance credibility. And the last one is focus on being better. So let's discuss all these strategies in detail. The first strategy, as I said, is focus on your client. For any business, it's very important that you should be client focused and maintaining their trust and respect. That means very honest and open with your clients about the roles we take on, and also we need to assure that we do not over promise and under deliver to the client. So please remember that don't follow this practice of over promising and under delivering. The next point which going to discuss is first impression counts. J.K. Rowling said, "A good first impression can work wonders." To be the best in the eyes of the client, we have to bring the best impression as we can, and the competitive world has forced almost everyone to make an eternal first impression. But there are some people who believe that if our first impression towards the client is good, it would sustain till the end. However, it may or may not be true. So definitely your first impression counts, but your efforts to give consistent performance is the center of your success. So please remember that definitely your first impression is very important, but along with that, you should be able to give consistent performance. Then only your business will grow. The next point which we are going to discuss, or the next strategy which we are going to discuss, is building long term relations. Relationships are your most valuable asset. Just like personal relationships, it's very important to cultivate and nurture client relationships also. As we take care of personal relationships, we need to take care of our client relationships as well. So, when organizations develop strong relationship with their clients, it helps for getting loyal clients, getting positive words of mouth, and increased sales. Now, how to build your long term relationships with the client? So, for that, you need to go above and beyond their expectations and giving your clients more than their expectations that will surprise them and delight them. And it's for sure then that they not only keep coming back, but also they will likely to refer their friends and families. Along with this, to get the face time with clients is also very important, as a key part of business development is meeting people. So always remember, you always try to meet people personally, always try to meet your clients personally, try to meet personally with them and try to understand the requirement in detail so that you can just put forward your thoughts to them. All right. So this will help you out to grow your relationship with the client. The next, which we are going to discuss, is develop your brand identity to acquire referrals, win more business, and to develop relationships. The next strategy which we are going to discuss is develop your brand identity. To acquire referrals and to win more business and to develop relationships requires the credibility in the marketplace. So, brand praises and identity is often measured by how well a consumer can identify and connect with both, that is, with your brand and with the company. So, brand identity is very important. There are three benefits which I have discussed over here for strong brand identity. The first benefit is building trust and familiarity with the client. The second benefit of strong brand is stand out from the competition. And the third benefit is increased customer loyalty. These are the three benefits which will help you out to grow your business. So please focus on developing strong brand identity. The next strategy which we are going to discuss is focus on being better. As a business owner, you should always spend time on delivery and on business development and definitely on thinking about where you want the business to go. And also, you will have to focus that how we can do better. So you will always have to get tighter because clients are much more demanding than they used to be in just about every respect. As the world has become more digital, so has to the hiring process. However, the basics of recruitment process haven't changed. So very important to keep in mind is the clear communication is the key for your business growth. So understand your clients' needs, wants, hopes, and manage their expectations with the realistic solutions that you know that you can deliver well. So this is all about the strategies for your growth of your business. So I hope that I was very clear on the points. In case if you need more clarity, if you have any doubts, you can surely comment. I will definitely revert to you. And thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.